to bring to attention the results that we have downloaded from the net. It is very slow, but so far up to this time, we have downloaded the result for 206 girls. A minus is 14, B plus is 46, B plain is 69, B minus 59, C plus 15, and C plain are 3. We have a large candidature. It's a huge number of 860, and we are trying our very best to ensure that by the end of today we shall have managed. We thank God for this result, and we are hopeful that by the time we are done with the whole downloading of the examination, we shall celebrate the result of the girls of 2024. Thank you very much.
Samson Gitamo Makori, Chief Principal Nyakongo Boys. Yangireli bageri kumwera Nyasaye ngambia mono twakoria bano mwa 2024 mwakoria ande litukoria rero tore no moko ngamatoke abasokire gatwira ni Nyasaye ngambia mono se merememi y'abantu bakora mwakoria skuru chitu chons jabusi abaigo Masaba North asindo mo chairman skuru yeto ya Nyakongo Boys asando mo principal system yo gosokia matemu ya bekwa yere ngora lakini ninde no mogoko ko batebinga amatemu ase alitwanyorire ase skuru yeto abana merongo kianda twanyorira amatoke yabo so far nasa abana abo mwana oyo mwa nabate A plain abana 15 babate A minus abana merongo 34 babate B plus abana merongo 45 babate B plain abana babere babate B minus abana bande babere babate C plus asa abana twakoleti abana kimibere na merongo 54 ntogendera takonyora matokeo onde lakini edalili ya rore kadire ngambuya abana barakora biya gotokumwerera Nyasaye mbya mono barimu abaibuli asokubwatera no kuya kwagerere matokeo ya arore kanira se school yeto.
This has been occasioned by system failure because we're trying to download the result and it's really delaying a lot. However, the results are good. So far we have 1 A minus and 16 B pluses. The rest we have not been able to tabulate because we're still working on the results. So I think we will ask people for patience. Maybe by tomorrow we will already be through with the result and we will be able to give the clear picture. So far the performance is good because the least grade that we have is a C minus. So I believe the rest 500 and something candidates will equally have done well.
Mana hii website tigare ngora tuanyora machibi ya bana isaina ta 4 out of 423 and breakdown here bune kubati A plain A mo A minus 20 P plus 26 P plain 23 P minus 16 C plus 7 C minus A mo no kar kwese calculate ye to shimu wanaba wana bonus already mean one get in at 9.3
20 out of these 20 abana 10 are qualified for the university because we have a lot of hopes that out of 84 we expect around 30 to 35 students to make direct entry to the university. Comparatively,
Zakaria Momanyi Rioba, also mwalimu Saga, the principal Bonyunyu High School, the school to be. Abutu waitire bya kabisa, naende tuwaito mwakoria tukaira abana 44 university out of 72. Umwako yo naende tuamentire marakabere abana 53 na kianda ase abana 157 esukuru yegenderete kwenda igoro mono igebegete chimbero chinene go chigoro amare na goetania naende igototagete ng'esukuru eye emanyekane ebe no ene national school. This is Bonyunyu High School, the school to be. Amana
student twabwate twabwate B plus inye alafu twabwate B 7 B 14 B minus 25 na C plus 8 mwana wa mwalimu abate C minus to wakira mbia mana ko gara abana bako ende university abana 50 obona bawo chigo 20% gara bako ende
2022 and now 2024 we have a mean of 8 whereby we have B plus there are 2 B brain there are 18 B minus there are 44 C plus there are 62 that is over 90% pass out of 160 students we had last year. Inchia Marieta Nengo Samuel Nyakachogero na vere Bosiango uyono miaka bono igambugate miaka 8 miaka 8 na vere Bosiango. For the last asama Bosiango emini abana bako bende university is over 90%. Esukuru yeto yagendere okora buya for the last 4 years gotubwate emini C plus. Abana bako bende university over last year twabwata abana bale kiete university 70. This year tubwate abana over 110 bako bende university. Amatokeo na araya unabona mwaka 2024 na nya saatu sisi bya mono tubwate P plus abana babiri P plain abana 18 B minus abana 44 abana C plus abana 62 eyo ekarato wake sabu ya otowa abana 160 omente sabu ya abana bali 120 bachiete university out of abana 160
lakini ne sofa singa jara kwa mirake ko yirani ratore egere orolenga tokole ne wasa sta butono to karansaga baka jisa to ko orende tugeretenga wana wane baro habo tigre chimbia oya ndo ya kuligere ya torenga wakole Dukora leo kwa mo ver na botere mete kiagara tri surprise ya sen na tu ari gane to manenga bana ba ko ba ngebia na tiga it's only that chi e to expected ni chi ke tu na botere we are expecting chi e at least some is so far na yemo lakini chi e manas to improve ya tambe sana kwa watch to botere stia ma ko to watch e manasime ko to watch e manas 20 na tora bora kwa nitakuligere kitoro zetu amangana website very cheaper in terms of consumption HBS lakini it's very slow anya dia nge the old system HSMS kia Safaricom kaanga to aba majibo spione so this thing it can very slow by ngwancha if there is a way they can enhance this go say wa change ko no just SMS otherwise there is a lot of anxiety kaanga bona watu wa result just peaceful yes
Chencha Mangido Elder Gideon Metauma JPM Chair Bonyunyu Secondary School. Kwa empakeri tangani aba empakeri tangani abana students performance bako teba koromuka sana empakeri abarimu biamono sana empakeri community biamono sana mono principal Rioba esa casa Uruaje school de saloto performance ebya kebere ya etire okorregasi bako yo irabana bange school na bado nando omentira bana bange ekarajete abane barenge 220 lakini bona ga abane tuwate 800 students performance yenene esa abana and